Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Sisters Kitchen India. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare chicken masala. To prepare chicken masala, here we have taken 1 kg of chicken. As you can see, we have kept the pieces little big. Now we are going to marinate this chicken with some ingredients. First, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of salt. After that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Now I'm going to add ginger, garlic and green chili paste into this. I'll marinate it properly and keep it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. So now we are going to start making chicken masala. For that, as you can see, we have taken a big pan in which I have added some mustard oil. Now I'm going to let it heat for some time. Once it gets little hot, we have added 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds followed by 2 chopped onions. Now we are going to fry it for almost 5 minutes with some salt. After 5 minutes, as you can see, the onions has become little golden brown in color. Now it's time to add the marinated chicken pieces into this. And after we are done with adding all the chicken pieces, now we are going to fry it with this onion for almost 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 minutes, as you can see, the chicken has started releasing its water. Now I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes. Here we have used 2 big tomatoes. Now I'm going to add some spices into this. I'm adding some chicken masala, in which we have some cumin powder, some coriander powder and some garam masala powder. We'll mix it properly and cook it for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, as you can see, the chicken has started losing oil. Now it's almost ready, so we'll add some chopped coriander on top of it and mix it. So friends, our chicken masala is absolutely ready. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Thank you and have a good day.